Hi guys, my name is Dor Jacobson and I'm a student of Partner with Anthony. I have took this program after I've tried a lot of courses online since 2013. With some of them I made some money, with some of them less. It's a very long journey in which I've tried dropshipping from eBay, creating my own online store for selling shirts. I took some other affiliate marketing courses, even some YouTube courses, and now I just thought to myself, just focus with this one program until you will see the first results from it. So why exactly did I pick this program to focus on? After I learned on some of Anthony's video on his YouTube channel, in which Anthony spoke about this new method of doing affiliate marketing nowadays, I've decided that this is the right and smart way to do it, and this is why I enrolled to this program. In his video, Anthony talked about creating an online business that based on affiliate marketing with an ecosystem. An ecosystem means that you can earn recurring commission month by month and not just this one-time commission. So most of the mentors and the fake gurus out there, they're just telling you to grab some offer from one of the affiliate marketing network and just put it wherever you can, in both ways, like spammy and not. But yeah, even if someone will buy from you, in most cases it will be just this one time. It means that in the next month you'll need to generate new traffic so you can earn, or in most cases just break even, if not losing money. So in this program, Anthony teach you how to do it more smarter. It takes you step by step and teaching you the fundamentals of both mental and technical tools that you need in order to see some success online. And because it is an ecosystem, it means that on every lead you generate, if he or she will buy, it won't be just this one time. They can enjoy a lot of other products in the Anthony Morrison education ecosystem, and you can earn these commissions again and again. So to create an online business with this method, you don't need a lot of money. You just need to follow these sessions and just do what Anthony teaching you. I'm in this program for not a long time now, and I already managed to generate some leads and create my first email list, my own list, which now I can promote to and eventually monetize and build relationship with. In this program, Anthony not only giving you the content, he also gives you support from his team, and you have the rest of the students to help you in the groups. But even if you just take the basic program, you will most probably see results fast, so you can start and create your online business today and make money online. So if you are searching to make money online, I very recommend this program. And if you want to learn more, all you have to do is just click on the link below this video in the comment section, and you will know exactly what to do from there. And of course, if you have any question to me, feel free to comment on the comment section and I will do my best to get back at you with my answer. I will most probably do another videos that shows you my updates on my progress with this program. So yeah, subscribe to this video now and click on the bell icon so you will get a notification whenever I published a new video. Till then, I hope you'll do the best thing for you to create your online business and wish you to find some success with it. See ya on the next video. Goodbye.